Thank you for taking our time out to go through this product walkthrough. We360.ai is an employee productivity solution, and it is helping more than 10,000 organizations improve productivity and at the end profitability. So let me take you through a quick product walkthrough so that we can showcase what all capabilities we have. So We360.ai is a desktop application which is installed into users' machine, laptop and desktop, and then it starts capturing insights and analytics which you can see and take measurable actions. We360.ai, if you see, is divided into three modules. One is the productivity suite, another is the project suite, and the third is HR suite. So in productivity suite, we give you all these analytics. So here in a dashboard, in one place itself, you can see attendance, you can see attendance trends. If you hover, you will also see the attendance percentage and average working hour for the entire team. Then we also have a goal section where you can set a productive time goal, active time goal, and see whether your team is achieving those goals or not. Then we have productivity outlier, activity outliers, and also you will get activity trend and productivity trends. So this productivity suite will give you a lot of insights which will help you decide who are the employees whom you need to engage in a better way and get more out of them. Then, as I mentioned, we also have project suite. So project suite, you can create projects like this, and inside the project you can assign tasks to various team members and you can measure how much time they are taking to accomplish those tasks. In timesheet, people can fill in their entire day's activity, and once the supervisor approves, it gets added. And the third module is the attendance suite, wherein you can see the attendance, you can see late arrival, working time, everything in one place. Also, you can manage your leave from here itself. So if you have a small team and you want to manage your attendance and leave, you can do it with this attendance suite. We also have wonderful integrations with the existing HRMS. So if you already have HRMS, you need not take this. We can just seamlessly integrate and you can start using that. Now coming to the most critical part, this is our enterprise suite. It will show you the workforce risk intelligence report. So here you can see that what all platforms your team is accessing which might pose a risk for the organization. And believe me, don't get me wrong, but many organizations which have everything blocked and they think that firewall and everything has taken care of this, they also get the surprise that how many platforms, websites and URLs people are accessing during their working hours. So like this, you can see how many people are spending time on entertainment, shopping, payment, adult content, gambling and all. So this intelligence report will give you a clear-cut picture in terms of who are the team members who might pose a risk for the organization in the near future. Another very exciting and useful feature of We360.ai is the capacity planning. So what will happen is nowadays there are so many uncertainties and you might have question in mind that whether I have right number of people or I need to hire more or I need to have less number of people. You can get a very clear picture based on inputs from your team members that what is the exact number which you need in your organization. So you can do a tremendous capacity planning with in-depth insight. You are spending tons of money in utilizing new technologies, tools and SaaS products. And we will give you this visibility that how efficiently your team is utilizing that investment. So here you have a technology usage report which will categorize all the platforms where the team is putting time. And if you go further down, it will also categorize it like this, how much total hour which is going, which are the top sites, everything. Another amazing use case of our technology usage is that how many of your team members are actually adopting to artificial intelligence. A lot of organizations claim that they have adopted artificial intelligence, but we will give you a real visibility in terms of what level your team is using, how many of your developers have started using platforms for vibe coding, how many marketing people are using various AI tools. So that visibility is available with our technology usage report. So as you can see how We360.ai can enable your organization get more visibility in terms of time inputs of your team members, in terms of technology utilization, like how many of your team members are utilizing artificial intelligence in their day-to-day work, and it is helping the organization be more productive and more profitable. So all you need is to go to our demo section, just click on the link below and book a demo, and we will do a detailed product walkthrough for you, and you can see how We360.ai can enable your organization to be more productive, profitable, and up to the mark. So please click on the link below and you can book a demo with us, and we'll do a detailed product walkthrough, and we can showcase how We360.ai can transform the way your team works and the profitability of your organization. Have a great day.